today we're gonna be doing a goofy all duo with this monkey, the dynamic duo. Turn on your mic in game so they can hear you, Jackson.
So today, guys, we are going to be doing asking people. We're gonna be asking people to make us loadouts and using them in game.
Nope.
Okay.
I ain't doing that.
Yes, we are.
Alright, guys. Yeah, this is the dynamic duo looking on monkey. Okay.
What's up, guys?
Third
What are we doing
person. Okay. I don't know.
We're gonna ask people to make us loadouts and we're gonna use them.
Okay. I'm gonna put you guys in third person. Monkey.
Alright, cause today, guys, me and my friend, aka Dynamic Duo, we're gonna be doing. We're gonna have people. Stop. Wait, stop. I'll fucking hang up right now and just stop. I'm done. Stop. Stop.
Stop cussing!
Will you keep cussing?
My YouTube channel's family friendly!
Alright, so today, guys, me and my friend, Braxton, aka the Dynamic Duo, we're gonna ask people to make us loadouts. So let's get this video started.
Yeah, monkeys!
Alright, this is our code if you want to join us.
No!
And
Don't join me! Are you even gonna post this to your YouTube channel? I am. Are we going into duels or no? No, they can't. Cause we're not doing recording in Astro Oculus. Dude. Hang on, let me turn off my music.
Get off. Give me one up.
Yeah.
Okay, dude.
Fuck.
Red, come here.
Battle Predator! Battle Predator! Battle Predator! Battle Predator! Battle Predator! Battle Predator! What's your loadout? What's your loadout?
I don't care, bro. Someone join.
What's your loadout?
Someone join, bro. I'm gonna give you one, retard.
Can you give me your loadout? No? Okay.
You, Tinosaurus. Give me a loadout. Give me a random loadout.
What's your loadout? What's your loadout?
What you got? Give me a random loadout.
No? Okay. Where are you at, Jackson? Oh, I'm getting taken with people. Battle combo. Give me a random loadout.
I'm not gonna farm like that.
Shotgun?
Okay.
Shotgun?
Okay.
Sniper?
Okay.
Sniper?
You like my sniper?
Okay.
And sticky bomb? I wish I had one. Alright, that can work. That's actually decent. Alright, what is it? Hey, I'm gonna test the loadout.
Alright, Jackson, 1v1. 1v1 our loadouts.
Holy farmers, man. I swear.
Gang, I'm so cookies. You don't want to know the thing
Alright,
that's it.
so
This kid.
this is my loadout. SMG, pistol, katana, and sticky nade. That's my loadout. This is his loadout.
Gang, this kid.
I'm fried, guys. I'm fried.
I felt.
Match starting.
Hang on, Jackson. Let me switch my thing to first person. Never mind. Whatever. Be alright.
Round starting.
Alright, guys. Let's test that out. Let me go up. Holy crap, it's kicking me. I get a little up.
Ooh, bro!
First game victory.
Dang.
Round starting.
you might give me katana.
You overused katana!
Oh yeah, I thought you gave.
Round starting.
God gave you bananas!
Oh, third game victory.
I look, you got an all load out, guys. I'm sorry.
Good chat, bro.
I'm low-key sorry, guys.
Round starting.
What's your lag?
I did that.
What is your lag? I can't hit anything! You're moving at 2 pixels a second!
Good. I'm gonna try to fish him off with this. I'm gonna try to fish him off with the katana.
Shoot! Shoot! Yeah! Gang. He gave me what he had. He gave me his loadout, gang.
Round starting.
You tell him like you a random loadout.
Yeah, I told him to give me a random loadout. Ah! How are you not dead?
These are my first balls, guys. These are my first balls. We'll think about time. Actually did.
Ah!
Oh yeah, 6 HP.
Alright. No, go into different lobbies. Go into different lobbies. I can't grab my camera. Jackson.
Oh, yeah.
Jackson, I can't grab my camera. What do I do?
That was wait, what the heck? Yeah, that was easy W, Braxton.
Alright.
That was easy.
There we go.
That was easy.
Alright, I'm just gonna put them in
Look at
first person.
Look at that, look at that.
Alright, gang. Alright. Just go into random ones separate. Separate. Don't join each other. Yeah, after we get the loadout. After we get the loadout, go back to BVFD. Silverback one. Give me a random loadout. Give me a random loadout.
You didn't know one?
Big fat dude.
I know one.
Alright.
Alright, get the. Oh, they don't.
Alright, yeah. Hang on. Let me get that. Let me get that. Let me get that out. I got that. Oh, no, hold up.
Yeah.
I had to get it. Sorry.
Right now?
Alright, what next? And Deagle?
Yeah, that's it.
Alright.
Right. Good luck.
Thanks. Yeah, join this code right here if you want to play with us. Alright guys, it's time to go absolute cookie Jackson.
No.
Don't
okay.
show each other our loadouts. Don't show each other our loadouts.
No, wait,
Don't show. Do you have 4 guns? Do you have 4 guns? I have 3.
The last 2 matches, I've got 4 guns.
Gang. I got it from Silverback one. I had to go buy a new gun.
I got an Apex.
I had to go buy a new gun.
Oh, is it grab 4?
No. I don't think
Wait, at the end, show each other's loadout. No, wait, show it right now. I'm just kidding. I thought you bought AK.
I have AK. I have AK.
This is my loadout.
Match starting.
This is mine. You got it.
Alright, gang. I got a Silverback
Round
one
start.
loadout. Let's go.
I got an Apex Prince loadout. Oh, you're the same guy.
Wait, it changes colors when it's out of the ammo. I've never used this, guys. This is my new one.
Round starting.
I swear, it's crazy. Is it battle pistol? Is it combat pistol? Oh my gosh! Jerkin!
I got Deagle! I got Deagle! Dude, Shuriken is crazy! Shuriken is crazy.
Round starting.
Shit, the guys I need to spice you up.
Ah!
Oh! I need to spice you up.
Who did? You're not gonna win, gang. I got a low-key
starting.
good loadout. I may use this sometimes.
I may use this sometimes. I can't play around with shurikens.
Dude! You were low-key low. You were low-key low. I knew it. Shuriken is good, but like,
Round starting.
That was just amazing mix.
Oh, you were so low.
Listen, guys.
Wait, what? What did he seem like a fake Apex or a real Apex?
No, he was real.
Round starting.
It's Apex Prince. Oh yeah.
170.
30.
All right, guys, this is our last chance. We gotta lock in.
Round starting.
You think that, buddy?
You guys, he's hot. You're 67.
Whoa! What were you at?
Let's go. I'll buy Big B.
I knew it. Shuriken's lucky go to guys.
Oh yeah. 1 second.
180 to the head.
Once again, another victory.
Aye. Guys, we gotta start. I like asking lower ranks to see what they are, because sometimes lower ranks have good loadouts. We only get to choose one. We only get to ask one person.
Loadout.
That's why I use it.
Good stuff, bro. This is W loadout. W loadout.
Actually, bro, I'm gonna change my loadout and then go into which one in your damn
Apex Q. What's your loadout? Give me a random loadout. Give me a random loadout.
A random loadout.
Come here.
I'll get. No, I want to give you the loadout. I want to give him the loadout, bro. Let me get him.
Alright, guys, be quiet. I asked one person.
Good sir, Braxton. Dab me up, big dog. Come here. Dab me up, big dog.
Alright.
I got a loadout for you if you got the equipment.
Move! What is it? What is it?
It's a W loadout. Okay, this is the rage bait loadout I run.
Aye.
No. Use Cutlass, SMG, Deagle, and mini pistol.
What? What is it?
Cutlass, SMG, Deagle, and mini pistol.
Okay.
Silver back. Oh, there. Please. Sorry, I can use the bathroom.
Apex Prince. Give me a random loadout.
Start as soon as it says my questions.
Alright, bro. This is one of my favorite loadouts to use. This.
Alright.
XP.
This.
Hold up. Let me put it in. That, Deagle. Hang on.
Look up rivals in your damn monkey gorilla.
Cutlass?
And this. So wait, there's like the strategy. Let me tell you the strategy. Hit them with this first, then spray them with this. If you're not available on that,
Alright, thank you. I'll be back. Thanks.
Go to the search.
You just got my account back.
Alright, gang. Jackson, you ready?
People told me to get this, Braxton. Oh, no, wait. Don't get.
Shovel. I saw it.
Alright, show each other the loadout. Oh, yeah, shovel.
I had to go ask another person because I didn't have RPG.
Ah, dang. Alright, so yeah. You're lying.
Uzi.
You're lying. Okay, ready?
Oh my god.
This is really trash with that try to do, bro.
The best thing is AK that you got.
I know.
That Deagle handgun, I don't like it. Dude, like 50,000 people came up to me.
Same.
Did you hear me scream at them?
I don't have a good loadout for this map.
Gang, I don't know about it.
I don't have
Well,
a good loadout for this map.
I had to replace Cutlass with this.
Oh, he's Cutlass?
Yeah.
Ah.
I ain't buying Cutlass. It's the same thing. Like,
Match
why does
started.
everybody spam Cutlass?
Just 2 to the head.
Okay. Nah, he said
Round starting.
he kept saying spam with Uzi.
Uzi's trash now. I'm stuck! Bro, yeah, guys. This is a game over, I think.
One after this, my VR hit low earlier, so like after this, we're gonna do our own. We're gonna make up our own loadout and use it.
You got Deagle too? How low was you?
27.
Yeah, guys. This is the first one.
Ooh, I'm cold.
Round starting.
Dude, that shuriken.
I bought shuriken if I never get to use it again.
Oh yeah, I'm using it again.
Yeah, after this, we're gonna do our own thing.
I'm gonna make a random loadout. I'm not gonna use one I usually use.
Exactly. I was like, I'm not close my eyes.
Round starting.
But weight is also a factor.
I lost.
Ooh,
First one won.
ooh, you were low. You were third. You were 40. You were 40. Ooh,
Oh, God, I won that match somehow.
lucky guess.
Round starting.
Lucky, I guess.
Yo! Oh, clutch!
Alright, game. Do I lock in or no? No. Okay. We low-key need a live stream one night.
Round starting.
On like TikTok. Oh, yeah, I was on TikTok. Alright, I'm dead. I'm so low.
Dude, 46. Alright, guys, last match. Oh no, I have to clip that out.
Yes, I lost. Yes.
I see you!
They don't. I got sticky grenade every time I play. Everybody else behind you.
Dude, you were so low! Nah!
Oh my god, chat.
Round starting.
I see you again. I see you with your goofy ass shovel in the ocean.
Salt destroyer.
Are you gonna hide the whole match? Gang, stop camping! Actually, bro, stop camping.
Round starting.
No! No! No!
They have it! They have it!
I was so close! Alright, guys.
Alright, I'm just gonna make my load.
I'll see y'all later. Hey, I'm 20 minutes.
Bye bye! Monkey. Bye bye! Talk to you guys later.